Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, have you ever heard the saying say, boy, Cooley a plan for eat callaloo and callaloo a plan for running belly? Yes. Well, guess what? We're not even touched in Vybz Kartel with him soldier and stand up yet. Kartel, after him bust the case and hey, look here, him did don't know say everything set on him thing because whether or not you want to believe it, but I tell you something about this girl, oh, she connected, see then. I don't know, ordinary girl, so yeah. But so Kartel, all along, because you don't know him get all him kiss when the girl come look for him and thing, and say if him did marry him would have get him conjugal visit, yeah man, him could have ram out her whole Kartel say, oh, because whether or not you want to believe it, Kartel soldier and a ordinary soldier, ask a girl named Titi. Yeah, Titi, that's a girl where those of you who have been following the channel, that's the girl where Shorty make her for run left her slippers on him. She put on a stamp on some stamp on Kartel, and Kartel said, yeah, almost dead, yeah man, and 7 stitches him get man in him side. But Kartel is an informer, so him just take him stab. So yeah, and most people don't really don't really want the truth. They just want constant reassurance of what they believe is the truth. As you can look, you can see the different booths, because I sell things over there, saying a comfortable life. When I sell nothing, we just tell people the unpleasant truths. So you see it, boy, we're there and so wait, I want to go on with them people, yeah. But see them there, as usual, them line up for the uncomfortable lies. Yeah, so Kartel come out of prison. It was over a week now since him come out, and him soldier not work. Yeah man, Kartel soldier not work. Nothing the Viagra could have helped him. So him frustrated, you understand? So, and you don't know, the white girl, she want the thing, because you understand, hey, the amount of liquor them like that, the soldier, 2 Viagra no work. And him try rum and boom and, but hey, but I tell you more about it and them thing there, because hey, you see big fat boy and them thing there where look like Beetlejuice, yeah man, Tommy Bright Light, that I Thompson, and the man where give Vybz Kartel the Viagra them, that one big market that a Jamaica do, yeah man, if you, well, we don't advertise them something, because them thing they're illegal, but we can't tell you say, well, a virgin where he was a cadet, yeah man, he was police, soldier and then security guard. Him dead about 2 years ago. And the man not tell me straight up on them thing, they say, boy, there's a man, if me could have, I tell you something, because I'm a veteran and at the United States military and all of them thing there. And the man, I tell you straight up, and the man I tell me how me do. Forget the Viagra and I can get it and send come give me a Jamaican and can make crazy money. Because I say 1 Viagra can go for all 8 grand. I say what? That's about 2 years ago and them thing there. I say 8 grand. I say what? How you can't stay there? It all depends on the dosage and all them thing there. So he tell me, him know, me and him talk on the phone and because him know me from, because I all away in a cadet. Him name, we call him Dial. Him dead still there, him name Courtney Oliver. He used to go Calabar to like Cartel. Bright boy still do, you know, but him the too bright for himself. So that's why him lose the work as police. And then him become soldier, and then when him a soldier, him used to live in 13 and them thing, and him kill a couple boy in a place in the car. Long them come from in the ramp, you know, dial, and why, you know, one time about 6 man come dust him out, and him lick down 3 of them, and the other 3 run cause police come on and soldier, and him just lock down him shop and move out and them thing. So him did about 2 years ago. So him tell me about the Viagra thing, say a big business down there and them thing. So him tell me, yeah, so him now, you know, encourage me, you know. It's like him kind of forget the kind of person. He encourage me and I tell me, say, boy, but I remember him attack, you know. I tell me, say, when I got the doctor at the VA, because him know, say, I'm a veteran. I got a doctor at the VA, I tell him, say, I'm a soldier and I work. And I tell them all kind of things, and they will start giving me medication for take it. And they might ask me how much time for the week me have sex and all them things, and based on the amount I tell them, that's the amount. So I say, if me, so me say to him, say, then if me, I go tell him how much time a week me have sex. I don't need no Viagra then. I say, no, you have to tell him that's your intention. I coach me now. I tell him, I just tell him straight. I say, that, remember say me I talk to you. I mean, I them thing they rasta, you understand? So, you know, I'm not going to do them thing there for you. So I say, boy, him really want it. So I don't know if it's a Viagra kill him and them thing there. Because you have to, when you take Viagra, you have to make certain say you have, you see a primary care manager, which is a physician. You understand? So at the VA, where, you know, I can get treatment at the VA, I can get treatment on the base. Because I have an insurance named TRICARE Prime retired. You have 2 kind of TRICARE. You have TRICARE that are for active duty personnel. People in the military were active duty. When them got a doctor, the active duty military personnel are them dependent, wife and children, they not pay no money, you know, not even for dentists. We just got to, you understand, that's why most people in the military, women chase them in America. Yeah. That I think then, and when you retire from the military now, when you have your retired military card, that a golden card in America, because you have the second best health insurance in America, next to the politician, the Congress people them. You understand? Because your co-payment is, because you retire, you have to pay a co-payment number. When you know, but as me now, so like me now, I don't pay a co-payment based on 1 and 2 little things. So I can go to VA, or I can go to the primary care managers them, because you have different clinic on the base, active duty base. You have some where you have like hospital and all them things, and a San Diego where you have the, you understand that is totally different. So that, you know, that's where the military have all, you know, surgery and all them things and all kind of something. So us at the at the military base, you know, where you see the primary care manager and all of these things, there's a sign inside there at the base and the VA where we tell us that them can't prescribe Viagra, give you like that. You have to go through a process. Yeah, you have to go through a process. They have to do EKG and all kind of things for them approve it, for say yes, your heart healthy for take it, because it will kill you. So that's why after we had found out that Vybz Kartel had taken the Viagra and him have severe headache, that's why we tell him, say, boy, virgin, we don't eat Vybz Kartel. we just start the truth and them things. We're not like criminal and killers. You understand? But in I see but we do believe in a redemption and them things, you understand? So him have behind him have bodies a pile up him walk behind, so you know, some people, oh boy, I leave judgment to God. Me not God, so you understand what I'm saying. So as we say, and you know, we continue to say now. So we know that him have problems with him soldier. You understand? So and him, because he had taken Viagra, so we told the people them, we said, say him for make certain say him see a doctor and make them give him all of the necessary thing. So, Vybz Kartel is a man full of confidence, after his release. Was boasting to anyone who would listen that how he was going to ram out Sidem soul. Yeah man, thinking he was ready to make up for all those years behind bars. Yeah man, what? Hey, remember say ship. It all depends on you and them thing, but you don't know in a Jamaica find somebody have her complexion. You don't know them say, boy, she pretty. I just saw it go. Beauty is in her FB. And like how she not have a bleach like Shorty. She had the one that's a Kartel. So, but as fate would have it, the only thing Kartel ended up jamming out, because I remember him the same, I got ram out her hole, you know. Guess what? Kartel ended up jamming. Him couldn't ram out no hole. I jam him have to jam out a hole. Yeah man, jamming out was a hole in the top of a Ace of Spade bottle and a bottle of Don Perignon. So despite all his big talk, when the moment finally came, there was no ramming for the world boss. Just a bit of celebrity sipping to drown his frustration. So Kartel I get for the none. Guy soldier, hey, and a little box, see them box it. You understand? So he has done a video now for actually, you know, I show say boy, him soldier work and yeah, I tell you, him do a video, Kartel do a video for, you know, go like him soldier work. Yeah, kind of work, you know, so him out of the country right now, him there St. Vincent and the Grenadines I work on the part. Like I'm not just a Jamaican doctor them for leak him info, you know. So it's a humorous reminder that life has a way of humbling even the most confident among us. Instead of a grand performance he envisioned, Kartel had to settle for popping corks instead of anything else. So Kartel I look on the thing, I look on the fat white thing, and Kartel, hey, whether or not you want to believe it, and I asked Titi, Kartel about, she said Kartel have a soldier there. At that, yeah man, cause him Kartel, him love round, him love there, and him love round there. Yeah man, so you know see. So sometimes reality doesn't quite match up our expectation, no matter how much we boast. So Vybz Kartel, the dancehall icon, who spent 13 years behind bars for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams, is finally out of prison. And the drama surrounding his release is as colourful as his music career. After years of confinement, you would think his first embrace would be with his long-awaited lover from England, Sidem, the Turkish beauty he's been dreaming about. But no, that's not quite how the story goes. Vybz Kartel, the legendary dancehall artist who has spent 13 long years behind bars for the notorious murder of Clive Williams, has finally walked out of prison. His release is a significant moment in the dancehall world and a spectacle that as vibrant and unpredictable as Kartel's career. After over a decade of confinement, one might imagine that Kartel's first moment of freedom would be filled with a heartfelt reunion with his long-distant love, Sidem, a stunning Turkish woman living in England who has been the subject of his dreams and letters for years. But as with everything in Kartel's life, the reality was far from surprising. Instead of the emotional embrace with Sidem that everyone expected, Kartel's first encounter outside of prison was rather an unexpected figure. Tommy Bright Light Thompson. Yeah, man, that's Beetlejuice, a man whose name is more commonly associated with the funeral services than freedom. Hey, them brother easy, you know. So Thompson is no ordinary friend. He's the one running. Hey, brother, Thompson is no ordinary friend. He's the one running the funeral operation for notorious PMP criminal organization Rear Admiral Donald Zeke's Phipps. Let me repeat myself. When I ask you, I tell you this. Hi Thompson, Tommy Bright Light. The funeral service is, you know. You might just a figure it. It's Zeke's business, you know. So that's why I see some done dead and them thing there. And Zeke's them line it up. forget business. Imagine you have a done we have a funeral home. Hey, a dangerous thing that a done we have a funeral home. A man rumored to be gravely ill due to a lifestyle that as risky as it is secretive. Yeah, so Zeke, say him seriously ill, because the man, they are rear admiral, The man, they go both ways. The man, they go there, and then go round there. Yeah, so it go on them thing there. Hey, man, I don't know the man that do it, because how him that prisoner, himself a prisoner, because him have a man, Yeah, man, have a man, a clean, him soldier, him rifle, Let me tell you, and the man, the big see me in a criminal under, I don't know how man claim say them a thug and them respect a man like that. Me couldn't respect no man, another man a clean them soldier, dirty man that. You understand? But I saw them still say, but most of the bad man, them a dirty man in Jamaica, rear admiral them. So rather than greeted by a crowd of adoring fans or whisk away in a luxury car to start his new life, Kartel was escorted from prison gates in a funeral limousine. An ironic twist that only deepened the layers of drama surrounding his release. But the surprises didn't stop there. I. Thompson, yeah, that a bright light in I saw him name. When I like the name I, him not like the name, so him call himself Tommy Thompson. Tommy is not even a pet name, I them call him, I don't St. Elizabeth. So I. Thompson, ever the unconventional companion, handed Vybz Kartel a peculiar welcome home gift, a pack of Viagra pills. The message was clear. After 13 years behind bars, Kartel might need some help to get back into swing of things, especially with Sidon waiting in the wings. So that's why you see Kartel have to go in the car, go sleep, because him soldier there work and she want it, because her thing, hey, Kartel make her thing wet, but boy, Kartel soldier can't make it. Viagra can't help. Nothing. Boy, hey, the man, but guess what now? Say the man I'll believe in a Obia, because he believes say a lizard man at Obia, make him think that work, and make all him look like frog. I don't know how him feel. The man believes say a Obia them Obia, because I say, he might tell, I call the man name still, him tell what I'm friend saying him, say, hey, him believes say a Obia, lizard man at Obia him, why him look like a frog, and why him soldier in our work. So that's why I'm down. I sent Vincent and the Grenadines to fix him, see if him can get.
I couldn't.
Yes.
I couldn't.
Yes, baby.
I don't have any makeup on.
You don't need makeup, baby. You're naturally beautiful. Yes.
I'm not just a doctor them at Jamaica. I'm saying no, say no for them I like him. Vybz Kartel thing England it a come from still. So we soon tell about Sidem. Because Sidem is a hard nerve girl, I tell you that. Yeah. So eager to impress his beloved Sidem and make up for last time, Kartel didn't hesitate to pop those pills. But instead, after triumphant return he had imagined, Kartel was met with disappointment. His long anticipated reunion didn't go as planned. After years of dormancy, the soldier he was counting on to lead the charge barely stood at attention. Boy. Hey, so the man soldier barely stand at attention, embarrassed and leaving Kartel embarrassed and deeply frustrated. As if that wasn't enough, Kartel was soon playing by her excruciating headache. As an effect of the Viagra that he had. Hey, so Kartel take the Viagra and then him not get nothing from it. Then him get on a wickedest headache. No, sir. Hey, honestly, I never mean for laugh at it, but boy, I tell you, say, I just saw it go. So, what's more concerning is that this idiot could have been far more dangerous than he realized. Given Kartel's existing health condition, specifically his struggle with grave disease, he should have never taken the pills without a doctor's advice. But Kartel, ever the skeptic of local medical professionals, decided to take matters in his own hands. Instead of seeking help in Jamaica, he flew to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, hoping to find a solution to restore his manhood and allow him to live up to his hype. So, in the end, what should have been a moment of triumph and joy for Vybz Kartel has turned into yet another chapter in his life filled with unexpected twists and a bit of dark humor. The dancehall king, Kartel crowned himself king, you know. I must say Beanie Man and a king. Beanie Man are all caroused too, you know. Yeah, man. Him not be following like Kartel. Kartel master everything where PMP criminal organization have done to poor people them. Beanie Man, yeah. You understand? You know, Kartel have him communities and him have him worldwide. Beanie Man fan base now. Not in quarter as Kartel, because Kartel more influential. And because Kartel a specialist in the Rear Admiral thing. Beanie Man now, the thing now with Kartel a man where him not take it in, him just give it. Beanie Man both take it and give it. But he must take it still from, you know, Patrick Roberts. Round here, you understand? So the dancehall king may have regained his freedom, but his challenges are far from over, both in the bedroom and beyond. So Kartel, why, just disappointed for him. So instead of stepping into the loving embrace of his long-awaited girlfriend, Sidem, Kartel found himself in an unexpected company of Tommy Brightlight Thompson, a man more familiar with arranging funerals than planning. Then a man planned a romantic reunion. So, hey, boy, Kartel easy. So instead of Kartel though, he want meet up with somebody who planning romantic reunion, him gonna meet up with a man arranging funerals. Yeah, that don't make sense at all. So Thompson will handle the final arrangements for figures like the alien Rear Admiral. Yeah, so him, you know, this for that Rear Admiral Zeke Swips decided to greet Kartel with a rather unconventional gift. Yeah, man, him bring the stash of Viagra, knowing that Kartel spent 13 long years behind bars and thought the little pharmaceutical assistant might be needed to help Kartel impress his Turkish beauty. I wonder if him can ask one of them boy them to help him still doing it, because I'm feeling boy them ugly on him, you know. Then say a shorty family should them get it from. When the tip boy, him have low self-esteem still doing it, so that's why I'm stick with shorty. But here's where Kartel's post-prison plan took a surprising and somewhat comical turn. Eager to make up for lost time and ram out, as he might say, Kartel drowned those pills without a second thought. However, instead of the grand performance he envisioned, he saw the bail reported for duty, leaving him disappointed and little deflated, literally and figuratively. So Kartel, up to now, him not get fair. You know what I'm saying? Him not get fair release at all. So now let's pause here and advise Kartel. You know, you have to understand. We as, you know, we at the Jamaica Young, I will tell you, we're all about saving life. Some life now worth saving. But, hey, look, we can't afford for Kartel to go dead yet, you know. You understand what I'm saying? Because a Kartel right now, you know, a Kartel I give you the biggest view on the channel and them thing, because true. A Jamaican people have them thing and them love, you know. You understand? Them love educational thing. Although this is an educational video itself. So now let's pause here and advise Cartel on all men struggling with similar issues. So you have a thing now when you're erectile dysfunction, ED. Alright. And it's more common than many men would like to admit, and it can be a sensitive topic. Rather than reaching for quick fixes like Viagra, it is essential to take a thoughtful approach to address the problem. Alright, so we'll tell you something now. And most men are women. We attack women in their 30s, 40s, 50s. We're married or live with them man in Jamaica. I tell you, just put in a comment below and tell me say I lie me I tell. Most of the men them, most of these women who have men on Friday nights, why you think Friday and Saturdays, why you think most of these men are at bars? Because them soldiers are at work. I never did know that until when, as police, me know them thing there. That's why I say most of them, they're at the bar from Sunday to Sunday. And them go to the bar and them literally close it. Because them soldiers are at work. So based on them soldiers are at work now, them woman or them wife have a next man. So them go home when it's time for sleep. Because them can't do your wife nothing. That was before Viagra. I don't know what happened after Viagra and them thing there. So most men, when you say at the bars, in Jamaica, or, well, in America, in America, if you drink and drive or in a foreign, you can get a thing named DUI and it's a criminal conviction. So a man only do that, him drink and yard and junk. But some dummy will do it same way. But in Jamaica, most of the men that's Friday, you see them all over Willie at 3 Mile, and them they till late, them soldiers not work. I tell you, because them soldiers not work, then they woman them thing. After them drink too, them ready for go home and ram out them wife or them girlfriend. But most of them have ED. And Jamaican men in a whole, them afraid for God, them not like God doctor. And you understand? I just saw it go. So, better you go for a quick fix. So as I will tell you, over here, say on an entertainment channel. So to all of the men them, one, I tell you, consult a doctor. The first and most crucial step is to consult a healthcare provider. So you go to your doctor, tell your doctor your problem. Your doctor will refer you to a urologist, or the doctor might try to help you at first. You understand what I'm saying, and then send it to a urologist. So erectile dysfunction can be a symptom of underlying health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, or hormonal imbalances. So like Vybz Kartel, him have grave disease. I know that a thyroid thing and it have hormone imbalances. So that's why I'm soldier now at work. So a doctor can help diagnose these conditions and recommend safe and effective treatment. So I'm still when he might get it up over there and I'm thinking, but I don't know why him carry Isaac. Why? He expect to try it my Isaac first. Remember, you have to use protection because you don't want to forget see them what Isaac have. You understand? What Isaac have. So consider lifestyle changes. 2, often ED can be improved by making simple lifestyle changes. So that's why you see now in exercise, regular exercise, a balanced diet, reducing alcohol consumption, Vybz Kartel, no smoke, manage stress can all positively impact sexual health. These changes not only improve erectile function, but also enhance overall well-being. 3, explore other treatment options. If lifestyle changes aren't enough, various treatment options are available beyond this popping appeal. These include therapy, mainly if there is a psychological component to ED, vacuum erection devices, or even penile implant for more severe cases. Wow, I didn't know all that. So like, okay, so no, so like, wow, vacuum erection device. So that must be something to make you, and you still get the sensation and all of them things. Wow, never know all them things there. But there's so much thing to learn. So understand the risks. Medications like Viagra, CLS can be effective but are not suitable for everyone, especially those with pre-existing health condition like heart problem or grave disease. Okay. So Kartel, don't mess with the Viagra. Before using such treatments, consult a doctor to understand the risk and benefits. So Kartel could have dead, right after you come from prison, So communication with your partner. Open up communication with your partner is critical. So you have to make sit down now say, she knows say thing now work. That's why I'm all in a care and them thing because she want it, But guess what now? Kartel not him not go down the side, I tell him on a bow cat and them thing name a rear admiral. So that's why you did see me in a car and he must say, oh, she annoying. Because she want it, Yeah, because you understand, she and him in a bed and she see soldier and you understand, and you don't know, Turkish woman are like, them are Indian, you understand what I'm saying, Arab. So you understand, and she want it and Kartel, nah, gear. And him go in a car, in the X6, and she go in there and them thing, and him say, oh, she annoying. So all of them things are just frustration, and him feel frustrated. That's why I'm going St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Some people say, boy, I say, I just part of life, but him feel say a lizard mother obey him. You understand? Because them expect him to dead a person. But, unfortunately, that's, the gods them take a different turn, and you don't know, the king of England intervene on his behalf and saw him out, you have to understand. So remember, intimacy is about more than just physical performance. It's about connection and understanding. So I have to be more romantic to this girl and all of them things there. You understand? So for Vybz Kartel, the lesson here is clear. While a quick fix might seem appealing, the consequences of ignoring medical advice can be serious or severe. By taking a more considered and health-conscious approach, not only can he address his immediate concern, but he can also ensure his long-term health and happiness. And for all the men facing similar challenges, remember that you are not alone. Help is available, and with the right approach, you can return to feeling your best. But here's where the story takes a turn for the absurd. Kartel, eager to impress his white Turkish girlfriend, popped those pills like candy, ready to ram out Sidam hole, as the dancehall artist might put it. But much to his dismay, the soldier didn't get the big lift he hoped for. Instead, it barely saluted, leaving Kartel frustrated and, dare we say, a bit deflated like a ball where you just punch and all of the ear gone. So adding insult to injury, Kartel was hit with one of the worst headache of his life. Side effect of the Viagra that he hadn't anticipated. When Kartel got to prison, I don't think Viagra did even that popular then. And he never wanted because you don't know any true. Shorty him attracted to ugly people. So true she ugly. I just saw it go and him thing, understand. So here's the kicker. Because Kartel suffer from grave disease, he should never have taken those pills without consulting a doctor first. The headache wasn't just a nuisance, it could have been fatal. But in true Kartel fashion, he decided not to trust the doctors in Jamaica, and instead jet out to St. Vincent and the Grenadines to see treatment for his troubled manhood. So while Kartel thought he had been riding high after his relief, he's now grappling with a limp soldier and a splitting headache, all because he skipped the medical advice. So the moral story, even the world boss isn't invincible, especially regarding prescription for Viagra. So yeah, him better, Vybz Kartel, all I'm have to do is follow a doctor them and them thing there. But him have so many problems and them thing that in his life. Because him have people what they want, them want him life. And you have 4 men who will kill him first because of things that he has done. Plus, him have him baby mother shorty. All kind of thing. But him could have, you know, him have to, hey, I always say, you know, only advice we can give him is to change him life. But hey, them man can't change because them man are just the epitome of evil. That's all them man think. Them man, you know, they have no God inside of him, Vybz Kartel. So maybe him need to get one of them boys them. Because, you know, with the degree of disease, one of the things that things are going to happen for him that him can ram it out as him think. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.